Making money with AI. How this mental health guru uses AI for online coaching. Hello and welcome to today's talk on making money with AI. How this mental health guru uses AI for online coaching. In today's fast-paced world, having a digital presence is crucial for success. That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we do things, and it's not limited to just the technology sector. Mental health coaches are also leveraging AI to enhance their online coaching services. Our mental health guru, for example, has developed a unique AI-powered platform to provide personalized mental health coaching sessions. This platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze a client's needs, goals, and background. It then generates tailored advice and provides progress tracking to keep the client motivated and accountable. The beauty of AI in this context is that it allows the mental health coach to focus on their truly unique talents, helping clients overcome their challenges and achieve their mental health goals. The AI takes care of the technical aspects, making the coach's time more valuable and productive. Moreover, the AI-powered platform also allows the coach to build a strong online community of like-minded individuals who are seeking support in mental health. This community can serve as a support system for both the clients and the coach, fostering a positive and nurturing environment for personal growth. In conclusion, the use of AI in mental health coaching enables coaches to provide highly personalized and effective services to their clients. By leveraging advanced technology, mental health coaches can create a thriving online coaching business, while still focusing on the most important aspect: helping their clients achieve their mental health goals.